Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you on how to activate Citibank credit card online. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process on doing it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there on the search bar search for citibank.com. And once you search for it, you will direct it to its home page which look like this, and now you will be able to see this login box at the right hand side of your screen. Now in the login box, tap on this activate button, and once you tap on it, you will taken to the next page where you have to enter your card number. And once you type in your card number, tap on continue button. After that, you will taken to the next page where you have to type in your expiration date of your new card and your date of birth, and then follow on-screen instruction, and then you will be able to activate your Citibank credit card online. And just like that, you can activate your Citibank credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.